This might be one of the most astounding scientific findings I've seen in a long while, and it's to do with the impact a particular green smoothie had on inflammation in the body. And we'll learn the exact ingredients in this smoothie and how much you have to drink each day later on in the video. Now, CRP is a key marker of systemic inflammation, and it's a protein made by your liver. Your liver releases CRP into the bloodstream in response to inflammation, and it plays a vital role in the monitoring of bacterial infection, inflammation, neurodegeneration, tissue injury, cardiovascular disease, to name just a few. Researchers studied a green smoothie they called the Life Smoothie. And in How Not to Age on page 95, it says, drinking this green smoothie each day without making any other changes to the usual diet saw an astounding 40% reduction in CRP within just 1 week, claimed to be the fastest diet-induced reduction in CRP ever reported in medical literature. So first, let's hear from Dr. Michael Greger from an interview where he was asked directly about this study. Then we'll come back and learn how to make this smoothie and all the ingredients the researchers used.
Right, and not just any fruits and vegetables, but as you noted, some of the healthiest fruits and vegetables on the planet, including dark green leafy vegetables. Green smoothie, you can sneak them into breakfast and get greens 3 times a day. You know, aging can be thought of in part as a inflammatory process. A single blood test for inflammation, like C-Reactive protein, can predict physical and cognitive performance as well as remaining lifespan in the elderly individuals. Thankfully, excess inflammation can be extinguished through changes in diet.
The Life Smoothie consists of 8 ounces by weight of dark green leafy vegetables, spinach, baby bok choy or baby kale, 2 1/4 cups of blueberries, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1/2 cup of unsweetened soy or almond milk, and 1/2 cup of water. In the Life Smoothie arm of the study, patients were required to consume 32 ounces of this smoothie every day for 7 days, without any other changes to their usual diet. So next, we'll hear from a doctor who uses this kind of smoothie in her treatment of some of the most devastating autoimmune diseases, and the results are remarkable.